Fasting has been used as a way of healing the body from certain diseases. You see, when you're not digesting, the body basically says, wow, this is great. We've got a little bit of extra energy here. We can go to the areas of greatest need.
Mary's been fasting for weeks, skipping meals, drinking black coffee, thinking she's doing everything right. But the mirror doesn't lie. The belly fat won't budge. Energy is at an all-time low. She feels trapped. But something changes once she stumbles upon one video of Dr. Barbara O'Neill. Barbara says there's a hidden mistake most people don't see. This video reveals that secret. You'll learn how small decisions can turn into massive fat-storing traps and how to escape this pattern to feel your best. Let's dive in. Dr. O'Neill says your body is supposed to flip a switch when you fast, from burning sugar to burning fat. That's the whole point. But the moment insulin rises, fat burning shuts down. Even tiny insulin spikes lock fat away for hours. Barbara explains that it's not just big meals or sugary drinks causing the problem. It's sneaky, hidden spikes most people don't see coming. Some of the things you've been told are fasting safe. In reality, they are not. Mistake number 1. Innocent-looking sweeteners. Barbara explains the first big mistake is sweeteners. Artificial or natural, they're both trouble. Your tongue tastes sweet. Your body gears up for sugar. Insulin rises before any calories even arrive. She points to studies by the CDC showing sweeteners cause insulin spikes. People think using stevia or sucralose is fine, but your body doesn't care if it's artificial or natural, it just reacts. Coffee, even without sugar, can trigger insulin in some people. If your blood sugar is sensitive, caffeine alone is enough to cause a spike. Losing sleep plays a huge role too. Just one night of poor sleep makes your body use insulin less well. Barbara warns this makes you more prone to fat storage later. Skipping breakfast seems like a fasting hack, right? Wrong! Barbara explains that not eating breakfast increases blood sugar spikes after lunch and dinner. Later in the day, your body struggles to control blood sugar. It's harder as the clock ticks toward evening. Then there's the dawn phenomenon. A surge of hormones early in the morning. It happens to everyone, diabetic or not. Barbara says this can cause blood sugar to spike whether you eat or fast. Even dehydration plays a hidden role. Barbara says less water makes your blood sugar more concentrated. That alone can spike insulin. Nose sprays with chemicals can trick your body into making more sugar. Some have no idea this happens. Gum disease also isn't just a diabetes complication, it's a blood sugar spiker too. Barbara calls it a silent culprit. All these triggers pile up, each one silently telling your body to store fat, even though you think you're fasting clean. Mistake number 2, flavored supplements. Fruity BCAAs, candy-like protein powders, they sound harmless, but your body reacts to them like they are candy. Dr. O'Neill points out these protein powders aren't just protein, they are full of hidden dangers. Artificial sweeteners like sucralose, aspartame, or ACE don't add calories, but they mess with the gut and metabolism. Even natural sweeteners like stevia and monk fruit trigger insulin. Some powders are packed with added sugars, sucrose, fructose, and corn syrup solids. These sugars cause weight gain, type 2 diabetes, and heart disease. Artificial flavors mimic natural tastes, but they are chemicals. Some people feel skin rashes or headaches, others suffer digestive issues. Then there are food dyes, red 40, yellow 5, blue 1. Studies link them to hyperactivity in children and allergic reactions in sensitive individuals. Thickeners like xanthan gum and carrageenan are meant to help texture, but Barbara says they can cause bloating and diarrhea. Barbara stresses some flavored protein powders may contain heavy metals. If not tested properly, you're taking a risk. All these hidden ingredients are designed to taste good, but they don't play nice with fasting. Mistake number 3, tiny snacks. Barbara points out the third mistake, tiny snacks. A few nuts, a splash of milk in coffee, a pinch of creamer. Even just 20 calories is enough to knock you out of fat-burning mode for hours. She says the body doesn't count calories here. It hears one word, store fat. Dr. O'Neill goes deeper into the milk and coffee combo. Milk is packed with vitamins, calcium, and protein. Coffee has antioxidants that gives you energy, but on an empty stomach. Coffee triggers extra hydrochloric acid. That causes irritation, bloating, nausea, indigestion. Milk slows digestion. It creates more stomach acid. This leads to heartburn, acid reflux, and even ulcers. The calorie count also adds up fast. Whole milk, 170 calories per cup. 2% milk, 140 calories. Skim milk, 80 calories. Almond milk, 30 to 60 calories. Add sugar or creamer, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 16 to 17 calories. Vanilla syrup, 25 calories. French vanilla creamer, 35 calories. People think they're harmless, but they're fat-storing machines. The truth about fasting clean. What if you're fasting clean? Just water, coffee, tea. Still not losing fat? Your body burns muscle instead of fat. Without enough protein and resistance training in your eating window, your body breaks down muscle. It does this to save fat. Dr. O'Neill says less muscle equals slower metabolism. Slower metabolism equals slower fat loss. She explains the importance of muscle like this. Muscle is your engine. Lose it and fat loss stalls, even if you're fasting perfectly. How you end your fast matters. Barbara reveals another secret most people miss. How you break your fast is just as important as how you fast. If your first meal is a sugar bomb, cereal, juice, pastries, insulin spikes through the roof. Fat storing mode kicks in. Barbara explains the smarter way. Start with protein and healthy fats, eggs, fish, meat, or plant-based options, tofu, lentils, beans. Protein blunts the insulin spike. Fats keep you full. Your body eases back into eating. Carbs come later, when your body is better prepared to handle them. Barbara points out the wrong way undoes the whole fast. The right way accelerates results. The 2 rules of smarter fasting. Dr. O'Neill sums it up with 2 simple rules. 1. Keep insulin low during fasting. No sweeteners, no flavored supplements, no tiny snacks. 2. Protect your muscle in the eating window. Hit your protein goal. Do some resistance training. Even body weight exercises work. Protein provides the building blocks your body needs to keep muscle. Training tells the body to hold on to it. When you keep muscle, your metabolism stays higher. Fat loss happens faster. The hidden way people break their fast. Barbara says most people don't realize how easily they break their fast. A sip of sweet coffee, a flavored protein shake, a handful of nuts. Each action sends the same signal. Stop burning fat, start storing it. Barbara explains how small mistakes add up fast. People think they're doing everything right, but they don't realize they're unknowingly keeping fat stuck. The result? Frustration, energy crashes, no progress. Barbara O'Neill's message is simple. Fasting isn't about willpower, it's about understanding your body. 2 mistakes stop fat loss cold. Insulin spikes during fasting, muscle loss during eating windows. Follow her advice. Keep insulin low while fasting. Protect muscle while eating. This isn't theory, it's fact-based science. Do it right, and your body works for you, not against you. That's how fasting becomes effective. Not harder, but smarter. So you've learned the hidden ways most people break their fast. Do these 2 simple things and your body will finally start working with you, not against you. Stop wasting time. Stop chasing quick fixes. Faster, smarter. Feel stronger. See real results. Because the truth is, your body isn't the enemy, it's your greatest ally. Let it work for you. If you found this video helpful, make sure to comment below and tell us which fasting mistake you're gonna fix first. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more simple health and weight loss tips. Also, check out the description link to forallfamily.com for amazing medical storage solutions that keep your health essentials organized and ready. Watch the next video to learn even more powerful ways to boost your metabolism and speed up fat loss.